Right boys, so I've fitted all this round here. To do this, all you need to do is measure it out. Just put it on, measure it out, and then like some bits are a bit sharp, but I don't think it really matters, to be honest. So yeah, just cut it with a pair of scissors. It's only a bit of rubber, but there's a bit of metal in, so you have to like make sure you cut the right places. So yeah, just make sure of that. And I've put these little brackets on. These are just little 5mm Allen key bolts. You just put them through the back side, and then put it all down nice and firm. So yeah, now all that's done, you can crack on and sort the filter out basically. So yeah, now onto the filter, boys. All you do is you get this little thing, comes in the packaging, place it in the back of the filter like this. Then you've got a Jubilee clip there, and you just tighten that down with either a flathead or looks like a Phillips screwdriver you can use as well. So yeah, just tighten that down nice and tight. You don't want to go overly tight though. Just do it a nice little like nip it tight. So yeah, once that's done, you can stick this little bad boy straight on the silicone little holes thing. There you go. You just want to place that on, not all the way down like. And then you want to get another Jubilee clip. You get supplied with 2 Jubilee clips. So you want to put another Jubilee clip on and just tighten it up nice and snug again. Don't over tighten it. So yeah, that should be looking like that. Obviously I haven't tightened it yet, but yeah, there you go. So yeah, and then you get your bit of hard pipe with a little I've just noticed that these are Allen key bolts as well on the actual standard airbox like math sensor. It's a T20 or T15 screwdriver. So yeah, these are Allen key bolts. I think they're all 5mm Allen key bolts. But yeah, I think this just slots on. It slots on the other way. So I'll slot on like this, so straight into there, like that. There you go. And then you'd obviously put another Jubilee clip on to hold this on, I think. So yeah, you need these 2 Jubilee clips, one's to hold this on, and then one's to hold obviously the other bit on. So yeah, boys, this is how it should be looking once it is all set up. Obviously, to put it on the car, you'll need to take like all of this apart. But yeah, it's easy enough to put back on, and I'll be recording me putting it on anyway. So yeah, just stick around to see that get put on. On there, boys, and that is how it should look. You need to put this back on. All you do is you just place it over the 2 little bolt bits and then stick the bolts back in. So yeah, that's it fully fitted, and I'll get some sound clips right now. Right boys, so that's the end of the video. Sorry that I've only added 1 little sound clip for you. I'll be doing a video fully dedicated to the sound of it, because it sounds quite good, to be honest. So yeah, if I hope the video has helped you in any way. I don't know whether it probably has, but if you've got any questions or anything, just leave them in the comments and I'll be here sure to answer them for you. So yeah, I'll catch you in the next one, boys.